Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Hadleigh hanging solar wall light. Let's get going. We have the wall mount and the screws included to fix this to the wall. This wall mount is very simple to install. You simply line the holes up with where you want them on the fence and then screw them into place with the screws. And then finally we have the hanging light itself. So all you have to do to turn this light on is flick the switch, which is inside the light itself. You'll have to do this only once because the solar panel has an automatic on-off dusk sensor. It means that during the day the light's going to stay off and the solar panel is going to charge the battery, and then at night, as soon as it detects darkness, the Hadleigh light will come on. To find this light switch, you unscrew the top from the bottom, like so, and then you'll find your switch just at the bottom of the unit with off on the left, power saving mode in the middle, and full brightness on the right. Having this optional power saving mode will ensure optimal runtime for the winter months. Then screwing it back together, you just line up the top and the bottom, and there you have it. So this wall light will give you 60 lumens of brightness, and the solar panel is integrated into the unit. There's also a rechargeable battery already installed in this light. It is simple, quick and safe to install with everything you need included in the box. And this stunning lantern design is completely cable free and requires no wiring to mains electrics. So if you're looking for something both attractive and subtle to give your evening some lovely ambience, look no further than the Hadleigh solar hanging wall light. The stunning warm white glow and matte black finish on this light make it completely gorgeous, and if you like this light or you have any questions about it, please just comment them down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.